In this section, we'll cover the IAM service, which stands for Identity and Access Management. It's the service that allows users to manage the rights of AWS. All aspects of security will go through this service, whether it is for users, groups, or roles. The root account must not be shared with any users. It is only used during the first installation to create the first users. The IAM service is the heart of AWS. You'll be able to manage all aspects of security from the IAM platform. The security policies are written in JSON. I will teach you how to write this way in this course. We will try to have a micro vision of the functioning of the IAM service. In general, IAM and AWS are divided in three. There are users, generally physical person, groups that can contain users grouped according to their function, business, or team, and roles that define the internal use of AWS resources for each group or users. Security policies allow us to define what user groups or roles can do and cannot do. As we have seen earlier, IAM is a global tool. Decisions and settings in the IAM service will be reflected in all of our AWS services. Our permissions are managed by group policies written in JSON, and it is possible to set up strong authentication methods such as MFA, multi-factor authentication. Later on in this course, we will see the implementation of group strategies and their writing. Usually, large companies have their own IAM user database, so users can log in with their company account. Identity management uses the SML standard, which is widely used in directories such as Active Directory. Finally, I will remind you of the best practice for managing user accounts in any structure. There must be one IAM account per physical person. There should be a single IAM role per application. Login information should never ever be shared. And you should never write your IAM credentials in your code. You must never use the AWS root account except for the initial installation, and never use the IAM root account. It is generally recommended that you create new accounts and then block the administration accounts. In the next module, we'll see how to create users, groups, and roles.